Alright guys, you're welcome to this section of this training, and in this section I'll be teaching us on how you can edit your photos. Yes, how you can edit your photos to look like a professional photo shoot. And the app we are going to be using is called Pixel Cut. Yeah, that's the app you are seeing right on my screen, Pixel Cut. So this is right here is the pro version, so of which you'll be having access to. The package I've covered everything. So in this training, I shall be editing some pictures that I downloaded, some pictures of some celebrity. So, and I shall be showing you step by step way of doing that and making it look professional. Yes, making it look professional. So let's go right into our training. So Pixel Cut, let's click on it. So I click on it, I open it. So those of you you won't have to download it from Play Store. You have to just install the file that is included in this package. So this Pixel Cut, why I like it basically is because of its AI background remover. It removes background perfectly. It has a very good artificial intelligence that dictates every section. So it's also used for animated stories, it's used for film stories, and making a profile picture. So, but in this case, we shall be using for to change our background and the background of our edited picture, of our treated picture. I mean, I told you we are having three stages in Photoshop. The treatment stage, the effects adding, and the what, and the editing stage. So we've added treatment on our picture, we've edited our picture. So now let's start editing it. That is adding backgrounds to it, removing background to it, make it more okay. So I click on photos and let me go to my gallery. Can see somewhere download. It's actually loading. Can you see the picture we just edited finish? Okay, so let's work on this then. Let's work on this first. So I click on this right now. The next thing is going to remove the background. So if I don't want to remove the background, I can just click on this mark, this blue mark like that. But now that I want to remove the background, let me slide it to the other side so I can remove the background. So sliding it this way, it's going to remove the background. And you see how it actually works. Now, can you see that? Now the background has been perfectly removed. Can you see that there is no more edge, nothing, not everything is perfect. So let me mark it, and after I've marked it right now. So always make sure that your canvas is portrait, depending on the kind of picture you are editing. So now can you see this side? Okay, when I enlarge it, this side will cut away. So this good. Let me enlarge it a bit. So the next thing I want to add to this is the background. So let's look for a good background. Once I'm sure, click on continue. Then can you see I can have my background down here? So I click on background. So the background I have here is white. So let me replace. I click on replace. And I start selecting color. If you want to use color, so let me say for instance I pick this color. Now can you see what we have over there? Or I pick this color. Can you see the joy of this is it looks more professional, like a real background. So for instance I change the colors from here, or better still I click on stock photos. When I click on stock photos, I'm going to have a lot of options here. So let me say for instance I come to studio and I pick studio background. For instance I click on this. Can you see that effects now? Or I click on, let me choose something relating to color now. Like I'll click on this now. So can you see that? So I can use any of this, but relating any of them relating to what? To my picture. So or I can just better say I can come back, select another part. We have ties, we have botanical, we have colorful, we have bouquet, we have shadow, we have gradients. Okay, let me search let me look on gradients and let me see what I have in gradients. So let me check on this gradient. Can you see that? Can you see that magic? So, or better still, I click on some other gradients here. Can you see that? These are the gradients. These are the work of the gradients. So normally this app is supposed to cost you a lot if you are to use it without watermark, but I've covered the watermark area. So once we are done, you can mark it. Another thing is, if you don't like have any of your background here, let me say for example, let me click on that replace. If you don't have any of your background, the background wants to use it, you can just search. You can just click on it. Let me say for instance, backdrops. So when I search it, it's going to actually search the internet for pictures that are related to this keyword I entered here, backdrops. Can you see that now? Can you see that now? So depending on the effects you are using and depending on the picture you are using, so you can search anything and use it just like that on Face app. So I hope you are getting it. So let's say for instance I want to pick any of these. Should I pick which one will go better with that as a color? Let me select this. Let's select this. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's wait for it. Let's okay, fine. So this also is quite okay. And which other one? Let's try this and let's see the outcome. But I think I'm fine with this one. The first, this one I'm having here. I think I'm fine with it. But let's check this. Let this load. Let's see what's going to happen. So let's wait for the data to load. Now, but I don't really like this like the first one. So I'm in love with this. So I pick this. Also, I'm just right click on mark. And can you see that we have just actually photoshoot a picture? We have edited, we have done everything that's supposed to be done in the Photoshop, right? So we have done everything right now. So the next thing I just have to do is just save or export it. So this is the export icon over here. So I click on it and the exporting. So save the photos. That's all. That is all. So once you have installed yours, you will see the watermark pack added on it. So once you click on it, you will see the remove watermark option. So once you click on remove watermark, then it's going to remove it. So that's all for this picture. So let's in the next video we'll be picking another picture and we'll be treating another picture. So see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.